The Enzo 6-piece full power reclining sectional by Cheers is a transitional style that will enhance the beauty of any living room. This transitional style sectional is a perfect in-between fashion for a casual and a contemporary aesthetic. This Enzo sectional features stain resistance fabric for easy cleaning in 100% stain resistant polyester. This wonderfully made sectional also has additional features such as USB ports, console for storage, and is a wall hugger for close to wall proximity and smooth reclining. Let this gorgeous 6-piece sectional complete the desired look for your living room furniture. The Enzo Reclining Sectional is also available in a 7-piece modification with 2 storage consoles. Adorn your room in comfort and in style with this handsome motion sectional collection made for curling up with a good book or watching your favorite movie. The Enzo collection will be a comforting respite. Let the Enzo collection complete the desired look for your living room furniture. The 6-piece sectional is large and measures a full 136 inches by 121 inches with a depth of 38.5 inches and a height of 41 inches. Measure carefully to make sure this collection will fit in your room. Come in today and experience for yourself the ultimate in comfort with the Cheers Enzo Reclining Collection. The Great American Home Store is proud to offer the largest selection of motion furniture in the Mid-South.